Hello, hello! Welcome back to our vlog. Latest chika natin sa Lovebirds na napaka-sweet. Spotted sila sa naganap na advance birthday party ng nanay ni Bea Alonzo. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman si Sir Vincent at saka si Bea dyan na napaka-sweet. Ayun lang. So, yan. Keep on watching till the end.
You know everything I feel inside. All you gotta do, all you gotta do is look me in the eyes and it's like the first time. All you gotta say, all you gotta say, three words I wanna hear, been on all your mind, mind. And when you smile, it's something I can't ignore. Can't get enough, keeps me coming back for more. All you gotta do, you're the only one that can satisfy my heart. See your love like it's glowing in the dark. Ooh, got in my head going left to right. Before I knew I was hypnotized, you came into my life, turned it inside.